Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try blue and green printed shirt with cream pants and white and yellow sneakers. Next you can try navy blue polo t-shirt and pants with white sneakers. Next you can try brown half sleeve shirt with cream pants and brown sneakers. Next you can try black and white polo t-shirt with black pants and black and white loafers. Next you can try black and tan printed shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try red oversized t-shirt with greyish white cargo pants and white and blue sneakers. Next you can try sky blue striped shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try light olive green polo t-shirt with cream pants and cream loafers. Next you can try sky blue t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white printed shirt with black shorts and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 tan pants outfit ideas.